Ready to refresh your WordPress site with a new theme but worried about breaking it? Don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide on how to safely change your theme without causing any chaos. Hey everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we ensure your WordPress sites are fast, secure, and always running smoothly. Today we're going to dive into how to change your WordPress theme the right way, so you don't lose important features or break anything along the way. Let's get started. WordPress themes are more than just design. They define your site's layout, structure, and functionality. Changing your theme can dramatically alter how visitors interact with your content. That's why it's so important to change your theme carefully to avoid issues like missing elements, broken features, or decreased performance. The key to changing your theme safely is preparation. Before you make any changes, make sure you have a full backup of your site. This ensures that if anything goes wrong, you can restore your site to its original state. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Tools and then Export and download a full backup of your content. Additionally, use a backup plugin like Updraft Plus or Backup Buddy to back up your database and settings. Now let's move on to setting up a staging copy of your website where you can safely preview and test your new theme. Staging is crucial when changing themes. This is a copy of your site where you can experiment without affecting your live site. At Rapyd Cloud, we offer one-click staging environments that you can set up from your Rapyd dashboard. If you're using a different host, check the options they provide. And if your host doesn't provide staging, you can use a plugin like WP Staging to create a duplicate version of your site. Once your staging site is set up, you can make theme changes without risking any damage to your live site. Just like changing themes safely requires a staging environment, having reliable hosting ensures your site performs well under any changes. Rapyd Cloud provides easy-to-use staging tools and top-tier performance so your site stays fast, secure, and ready to handle anything, even with a major theme switch. Check the link in the description and try Rapyd for yourself. Now that your staging site is ready, it's time to install your new theme. From the WordPress dashboard on your staging site, go to Appearance and then Themes. Click Add New to either search for a new theme from the WordPress repository or upload a theme you've downloaded. Once installed, don't activate it yet. Click Live Preview to see how your site looks with the new theme. In the preview mode, check for any obvious issues like broken layouts, missing elements, or font inconsistencies. Once you're happy with the theme preview, it's time to activate it. Go back to Appearance and Themes and click Activate on your new theme. After activation, check your staging site again for any errors or misalignments, especially with custom widgets, menus, and plugins. Some issues are common after activating a new theme, but they're usually easy to fix. If your widgets disappeared, go to Appearance, then Widgets, and manually add them back. If you have custom CSS, check if your new theme supports custom styles or reapply them using the customizer. Check your key plugins to ensure they work with the new theme. Update or replace plugins that aren't compatible. Take your time resolving any errors or missing elements before moving forward. Once everything looks good on your staging site, it's time to push your changes live. If you're using a hosting provider like Rapyd Cloud with staging support, simply click to replace your current website with the updated staging site. If you use the plugin for staging, you can either manually update the changes or use the plugin's push feature. Double check that everything is working smoothly on your live site after the switch. And there you have it, how to safely change your WordPress theme. Whether you're using a staging environment or fixing post-activation issues, these steps will ensure a smooth transition. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.